Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antor News. Kublay pi baro kinigilong ki khubor bamta kasni. Kakinhun menteri ka jula ha kasni ningkong kalamanjur ya kajingtirwa ban Pynkiew ya kapor aiwa ya jaka sorkar jaka snem nagabenta ban penslur ya kajingbaiting ka kabahe ha ki kampen roy ha ka jula. Habakran Shakilat Pathai Khubor hadin balawai ke Jingelang, Menteri Katnat Jungokai Perthai Ubaderu Unong Aiktin ke Sorkar Uba Apol Lingdo Ulaong, Ngila Menjur Ban Penjelan ya kapor Aiwa ya ki Jaka Sorkar Ban Pensuk ya ki Kam Penroy. Menta ke jela ke Aiwa Lai Pusnem ya ki Jaka Sorkar Nrai Bakhen ya ke Jingdon Kam, Bar ke Jingbun ki Jingterwana ke Benta ke Jingbei Tingka Bar ki Projek ki Bahe, Ngila Shim Bakene kapor Kampat Biang Ban Khring ya ki Nongbei Tingka. Kibakwa e ka jingmi ka babiang ha ka jingbei tingka jongki ula batay kum ka daw ban Pynkiew arsha kapor bala aiwai. Ka kinhun menteri lingba katanat khajna ba katanat pinya ye ka jingjia ba sngosi. Kelawan ra ye ka jingterwa ban Pynkala bat Pynkala ye ka ni ka jing penjlan ye kapor aiwai ye ki jaka sorkar na ka baladan lai pusnem sya kapor ka ban ru pusnem ula pentim. Hadin balakut kan ru pusnem on sa pentamai ye ka jing aiwai salai pusnem. Ka sorkar ka kermen bakani ka senjam kan yarap ban penslur, badru ban khring ye kinong bei tingka ban bei tingka haki projek baper hame khalaya. Kamtam haki benta ki bapen I ye kidak jong ka jingkiu bat ki baban, ya ka jingkular ban kentiu syuk ya ka yok ka kot jong ka jela. Ba poling do ulaong, ba ya kani ka senjam la shim ban tawi ka maryang, ka bapensuk bat penslur ye ki seng shimet ba kinong bei tingka ban bei tingka ha ka jela. Mentakat kum ka polisi ka bala dan lupa ha ka jaka sorkar, kapor bala sya ban aiwai ka long lai posnem, henrei ha ki babun ki jingjia ki brangmi ki ei ka bajia ka long, ba ka jingmi na ka jingbei tingka ROI, ka dey ka benta ka ba kongsan ba jong kanu ka plan bay tingka. Kumta bun kinong bay tingka ki shimba ka ni kapor ka ba lai posnem ka long ka baduna palat. Kum kanuksa ha ka orchid polu, kaba minta kan wan hapo karukom ya trailang ka jingtmu ban bei tingka kan omduna ya ka lai spark lur tingka.
Third matter which came up for consideration before the cabinet was the appointment of the registrar cum secretary of the Meghalaya State Consumer Disputes Redressal Commission. The Meghalaya State Consumer Disputes Redressal Commission, which is a very important office, and a couple of names came up for consideration before the cabinet, and as per the recommendation of the department concerned, which is the Food and Civil Supplies and Consumer Affairs Department, the cabinet has agreed to the proposal to appoint Srimati Susana D. Chong, MSS retired, as recommended from the shortlisted candidates. So, Mrs. Susana D. Chong has been now duly approved by the cabinet for appointment as registrar cum secretary of the Meghalaya State Consumer Disputes Redressal Commission. So these were the major items that came up. It is a proposal for appointment of Mr. Makbul Lindo Suyam, retired MAS, to the post of Chief Administrative Officer of the Meghalaya Natural and Organic Farming Society for Livelihood and Innovation in Agriculture. I repeat, Meghalaya Natural and Organic Farming Society for Livelihood and Innovation in Agriculture. It was this matter was put up to the cabinet, and we approved the proposal for the appointment of the said officer, Mr. Makbul Lindo Suyam, retired Meghalaya Agriculture Service Officer, for the post of CAO, Chief Administrative Officer, for a period of 3 years. Met just a while back and took up a few important policy matter issues, and also some issues which are of a routine nature. So I'll brief you on the approval for extension of lease period for government land to facilitate developmental projects. As you are aware that currently we have a policy whereby the lease period for allotment of government land to lessees, which are individuals and entities, is fixed at 30 years. But in view of the need and the increasing number of proposals for large-scale investments and projects, we deem that this duration is insufficient to attract investors who would like a reasonable return on their investment. So the Cabinet, through the Department of Revenue and Disaster Management Department, came up with a proposal to change and alter this extension of the lease period of government land from the existing 30 years to a period of to 60 years. And this is to be made further renewable for a period of additional 30 years for projects under different investment modes. This will, we hope, it will help to incentivize, encourage, and also attract investors to invest in various projects in the state of Meghalaya, and especially in sectors which are showing signs of growth and hold promise for further enhancing the economy of the state.